welcome back to the gang. As you can see today, I'm not really 100% because one of my favorite actors passed away, and he is the one that brought Black Panther to life as well. Do you know what I mean? In the big silver screen, you know what I mean? And it's just a big blow to me, a huge blow, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. It's a huge blow to everyone as well, do you know what I mean? I was a big fan. But we keep moving, you know what I mean? 2020 is a mad year. It's mad. But anyways, today we're going to be reviewing the Vapormax 360. I know I've reviewed one before, but this time it's a special color. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get it.
Of course, starred in Black Panther.
The impact of that is something that nobody can actually write about yet.
I hope people are proud when they finish watching the movie.
He wrote.
So yeah, guys, ready, steady, go. They're beautiful. I know you think they're beautiful because I think they're beautiful. Those are the grey ones, you feel me? I mean, this pair never ceases to amaze me. Like, no matter what color you get, bruv, you wanna marry them, bruv. You feel me? It's that mad, bruv. Look at this, bruv. Look at this. Look at the swoosh. Look at the glow. Look at the different type of glow, fam. Green hair, golden hair, green again. Look at the sides. Look at the sides. Is that magic? Is that juju, fam? What is this? Why are you running? Yeah? I'll run with this shoe. It's beautiful. On the other one, I didn't clock, but there's actually Vapormax written. I find them amazing. Right now, I'm flabbergasted. Yes, sir. I is flabbergasted. I am flabbergasted. I was flabbergasted, and I'm re-flabbergasted. You feel me? The reading sheet is beautiful. I don't know about this though. What the hell is this? So across the sheet, there's something that goes like this. What the hell is that? I don't know why here, but I didn't notice all these details, in the previous Vapormax. Like, big man team, rap. Big man team. Didn't notice all these details. But they're so beautiful. We're gonna put them on now, yeah? So here they are, the legendary 360s. Feels comfortable. And more solid. Again, one thing I notice about these, because the color is not black all over it, you can notice more details. Do you know what I mean? You can notice the different black switch in different places. I noticed this more, this one here. These are little things, you know what I mean? And they're just as beautiful. I like the orange. Black switch here. I can see myself wearing this to a rave, to a mall. I was supposed to go to a rave tonight as well. Because I have to go do something in Cambridge. But yeah. The part I love the most about these is this part. So nice. It's just so, oh my god, this shit is just beautiful. So nice. I'm already in love. I've been in love with the Oh no, this shoe is beautiful. Looks amazing. Grazie. Muy bien. Without a doubt. Yeah. Number 2, comfort. It's comfortable and very nice. Obviously, very, very nice. Very, very comfortable. And it feels like when you put them on, you feel like you're grounded. Number 3, durability. To me, this shoe is more durable than the 360, than the normal Vapormax. I mean, because it just feels more, as I said, grounded and is more solid. Whereas the Vapormax, normal Vapormax, is more. The normal Vapormax is more. Let me find one. Give me a second.
3 days later.
More light, slightly lighter. You know what I'm saying? Slightly more flexible, slightly more soft. Feel me? 4. Yeah, 4 is, can I wear it with a lot of stuff? I can wear it with pretty much a lot of stuff, like mainly grey and black. So yeah, altogether this shoe gets a 9. Yeah, 9 out of 10. You feel me? I'll give it a 9.5, but that's too. I want to experience new things before I, you know what I'm saying, before I allow myself to give this type of marks. You know what I mean? So 9, that's a great mark. That's like a 10, bruv. If I give you a 9, it's like I gave you a 10, bruv. Big man thing, bruv. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.